Good morning, dear children. Welcome to your English class. You all have done TH words in your English workbook. Now today we are going to read and write some TH word sounds words in your notebook. Now let's start. First of all, write the date here. Today's date is 27/20. Write the classwork on the first line. And underline the classwork. Write the heading. Write TH sound words. TH को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? द. TH sound is the. The first word is THIS this. THIS this. THIS this. THIS this. When you will write, read and then write. The next word is THAT that. THAT that. देखिए TH को हम लोग ने द पढ़ा और AT को एट पढ़ा, तो that. THAT that. THAT that. The next THESE these. THESE these. THESE these. THOSE those. THOSE those. THOSE those. THOSE those. THE the. THE the. THE the. THE the. THEY they. THEY they. THEY they. THEY they. THIN thin. THIN thin. THIN thin. THIN thin. And the last word is THREE3. 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 Now let's repeat it again. THIS this. THAT that. THESE these. THOSE those. THE the. THEY they. THIN thin. THREE3. You have to write these words 3 times. आपको इसी वर्ड्स को एक बार यहाँ लिखना है, एक बार यहाँ लिखना है और एक बार आपको यहाँ भी लिखना है. ओके चिल्ड्रन? THAT that. THAT that. THESE these. THESE these. THOSE those. THOSE those. THE the. THE the. THEY they. THEY they. THIN thin. THIN thin. THREE3. THREE3. ठीक है, जिस तरह से मैंने इसको 3 टाइम्स लिखा है, यू हैव टू राइट इट ऑल्सो 3 टाइम्स. Okay children, the writing should be very neat and clean. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.